The Blood Part 3.
Let's take a look at where all these things come from. Most of them are actually produced by what we call the red bone marrow. What is bone marrow? Bone marrow, if you've seen bones before, you realize that at the very center of such big bones, we actually have some soft, plushy tissue. Those are bone marrow. When we are talking about red bone marrow, we're actually talking about tissue that's living in the center of our bones, and they actually produce things like red blood cells, lymphocytes, and platelets. What about our active fighters, leukocytes? Leukocytes are actually produced by spleen and the lymph glands of our body. You would also notice that the very nature of red blood cells, lymphocytes, and platelets are actually very, very different from the very active nature and aggressive nature of our leukocytes. Therefore, it is very reasonable that they come from extremely different kinds of sources. In about every 1 cubic millimeter of blood, we have around 5 million red blood cells, 6,000 leukocytes, about 2,000 lymphocytes, and about 250,000 platelets.
Stay tuned for more contents. Click the plus for more info.